Dear followers, hello, this is Dr. Fatima Yahya. In this video, I present lectures on research methodology. Definition of research. Research refers to search for knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. When we say systematic, it means not spontaneous. The researcher follows some academic steps. Research is an art of scientific investigation. The Advanced Learner's Dictionary of Current English lays down the meaning of research as a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. So, when we say research, it means investigation or inquiry. Research is an academic activity. Research comprises defining problems. It means any research begins from a problem to solve or question, formulating hypotheses, collecting, organizing, and evaluating data, making deductions, and reaching conclusions. At last, carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. Objectives of research. We have many objectives of research. Number one, to gain familiarity with the phenomenon or to achieve new insights into it. Studies with this objective are termed as exploratory or formulative research studies. Number two, to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation, or group. Studies with this objective are known as descriptive research. It means to describe an individual, a situation, or group. Number three, to determine whether the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. Studies with this objective are known as diagnostic research studies. Number four, to test a hypothesis of causal relationship between variables. Such studies are known as hypothesis testing research. Title of research. A correct title of research must be narrowed. It means not general. Narrow it as much as possible to focus on one idea. It must be logical. It must be unambiguous. It means your title must be clear from the beginning. Example, how to narrow a title. For example, when I have a topic of writing, this is a general, so I can narrow it through discussing writing essays, taking notes, writing a dissertation, learners' errors of writing, difficulties of writing, L1 influence on students' writing style. So all these IDs, it means narrowed topic about writing. Formulating the research problem or hypothesis. So statement of the problem, it means the main problem or the main question of your research. You can also have some research questions or sub-questions as sub-hypotheses. Rationale. The reasons behind choosing your topic or motives, it means what pushed you to choose this topic, not another. What motivated you to choose this topic? Objectives. The final research aims you intend to achieve. It means any research must contain rationale and the objectives or aims of your research. Always with methodology. So you can also focus on type of research and approach. For type of research, we have many types of research. The famous ones, we have descriptive. It means you describe and the researcher doesn't intervene here. Just you depend on observation. Experimental research, it means you have an experiment. When we say experimental, it is not related only to biology or scientific branches. Even in didactics, you can have or conduct an experimental research. Here we have, you need your corpus or case study. It means the field. We have other types of research. We are going to see them in the next videos. For approach, we have either qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative, it means when you, for example, depend on an interview. Here you always answer the question why, you analyze. Quantitative, it means when you depend on a questionnaire or survey. Here we have numbers, percentage. Here we also focus on data collection through using these instruments. Also, in your research, you need a review of literature. Review of literature has many aims. Also, you need to master quoting and paraphrasing techniques. Quoting, it means when you take a statement as it is without any change. Here, you must know the rules of citation. Paraphrasing, here, it means you get the idea in your style. Research proposal and dissertation. Research proposal, this you need it at your first year master level. It means you prepare your research proposal in order, it means research proposal is as if a general overview of your future dissertation content. So when your research proposal is correct, this means that you are now able to conduct your research doing your dissertation at Master 2 level or doctorate level.